Linux is a family of open-source operating systems called distributions, maintained by hundreds of volunteer developers. It's used on most servers and IoT devices and all supercomputers around the world. Linux is the basis for Android. But Linux is used on only about 4% of desktop and laptop computers. This video is about Linux desktop and laptop distributions. Linux desktop distributions differ from Windows in so many positive ways that it would be difficult to cover them all in depth in a 3-minute video. We will discuss several of them in separate videos. Here is an overview of 8 ways that Linux shines. Linux desktop distributions are free. After you have picked one, just download and install it from the distribution website. If you keep your files backed up on a separate storage device, you can reinstall your OS at any time. Linux desktop distributions offer greater privacy. Linux distributions do not, by default, collect any data about you through the operating system. The distribution website unavoidably collects some data, as do all websites. Any data collection during use of the OS is opt-in. You have to allow it. Linux desktop distributions are considered by many experts to be inherently more secure than Windows. Watch our video, Secrets of the Mesh, Is Desktop Linux Secure, for more info. Linux is easy to use. Linux is well known for its command line advantages, which is why developers like it. But there are also attractive, easy-to-use graphical user interfaces with simple, intuitive menus and icons for most activities. Compare what you have to go through to take a screenshot in Windows versus Linux Mint. Linux doesn't come packaged with bloatware, unwanted pre-installed software that takes up space and slows down your OS. These might include games or trial versions of software they hope you will buy later. Linux distributions don't try to sell you anything. Linux gives you more control over your operating system. In addition to many varieties of operating systems, you can also choose from several desktop environments and customize with your own choice of accessories. We'll talk more about this in another video. Linux is quick to install. No endless series of screens to make decisions about. And maybe best of all for the budget-conscious internet user, several Linux distributions run well on older machines because they include less pre-installed software and are designed to use fewer resources. For common home internet activities, a Linux desktop distribution can be a good choice, especially for older machines. Watch our other videos about Linux listed in the description below. Newport Wireless Mesh is a non-profit wireless internet service provider in northern Vermont, USA. Education is part of our mission.